Hi everyone, my name is Steven Haines, and welcome to my course, Spring Integration Using Channel Adapters to Integrate with External Systems. Spring Integration is Spring's implementation of the enterprise integration patterns and provides powerful functionality for integrating different components across your environment. In this course, we're going to review how to integrate with different external systems. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include integrating with message brokers such as ActiveMQ, RabbitMQ, and Apache Kafka, integrating with databases such as MariaDB and MongoDB, invoking RESTful web services from a Spring integration application, and building custom integrations for which Spring integration does not provide native support. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to integrate with several specific external systems, but more importantly, you'll understand Spring Integration's model for integrating with external systems so that you'll be able to integrate with any system in your environment. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of Spring, Spring Boot, and Spring Integration, including messages and channels and how they work together to solve enterprise integration problems. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to use Spring Integration to integrate different external systems with the Spring Integration Using Channel Adapters to Integrate with External Systems course at Pluralsight.